Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Gonna do a frame overview video. JeepsUnlimited.net. You can view this frame and others like it. It is a 1987 to 1995 Jeep Wrangler YJ frame. Specifically a 4.0 or 4.2. Either one of them will work just fine. You can use it for a 2.5, but you need to relocate these mounts here. We usually have 2.5 frames, so if you're looking for that frame, just give us a call or go to the site and you should be able to find those there. It's a beautiful frame, grade A. There's not a speck of cancer on this frame, inside or out. All of our Jeeps are coming out of California from now on. And then the last thing is we don't buy wrecked Jeeps like a lot of yards do, so we don't have to worry about bent frames or anything like that. All the black paint you see on it is factory. That's how good a shape this guy's in. We don't do anything to doctor them anyway, so you see them pretty much as they're pulled. Occasionally we'll wash them off, but this one hasn't been washed off even. So if you see anything that's like this stuff here, it all comes off. If you see as I kind of wipe it there. So there's actually nice good paint solid underneath as well. Nothing on it concerns at all. So I like to do these videos so you can see it as if you were here in person. I'll flip it over so you can see the other side of it. They're not super heavy, more awkward. Actually, two guys can lift them up pretty easily and whatnot. So this is the frame that you will receive if you've seen this in an ad. Unless it is sold and you've contacted us after the fact, and then we will send you a link to another set of photos and videos. We sell these quick. We're probably one of the premier frame, actually I know I am. I've been doing it for about 10 years. I'm not new to this business whatsoever, and I know how to measure these out and whatnot. So just to make sure, you never know what's happened in the course of the life of a Jeep. So questions, comments, concerns, give us a call, 303-666-9020, JeepsUnlimited.net. You can actually buy it right from the website, or you can call us. It doesn't matter to us. So, and then if you see it on eBay, you'll always save a little bit if you call us or buy it through the site, just because of eBay fees. But nonetheless, we appreciate the business wherever it comes from. So have a great day and happy Easter.